Cash in on Christmas. Make money on Facebook Marketplace this holiday season. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. The holidays are almost here, and while it's a time for joy and giving, let's be honest, a little extra cash wouldn't hurt either. That's why I'm here to share a secret treasure trove for holiday income, Facebook Marketplace. Yes, you heard that right. This holiday season, transform your clutter into cash and turn your crafting hobby into a bustling side hustle. What sells well on Facebook Marketplace in December? Forget about your old dusty stuff sitting in the attic. Christmas shoppers on Facebook Marketplace are hungry for a few key things. Gently used toys, kids grow fast, and those barely touched dolls and action figures could be someone else's holiday treasure. Vintage decorations, give those grandma-chic baubles and quirky ornaments a new home and spread some retro cheer. Homemade crafts, put your knitting needles and pottery skills to work. Unique, handmade gifts are always in demand. Gift baskets, bundle-themed goodies like gourmet treats, cozy socks, or bark products for a quick and easy gift solution. Prepping your listings for holiday success. But here's the thing, just slapping something up on Marketplace won't guarantee you holy jolly profits. You gotta make your listings shine. Photos are king. Ditch the blurry cell phone snaps and invest in some good lighting and clear angles. Show off your items from multiple angles and highlight any unique features. Description matters. Be detailed. Describe the condition, size, and any special features. Don't forget keywords like vintage, handmade, or gift basket to help buyers find you. Price competitively. Do your research on similar items and don't overcharge. Remember, it's better to make a quick sale than hold on to something forever. Shipping and delivery. Make it merry and easy. No one wants a holiday delivery nightmare. Offer safe and convenient shipping options like local pickup, contactless delivery, or even calculated shipping through trusted providers. Be clear about your terms and fees upfront, and make sure communication with buyers is smooth and friendly. Bonus tips. Stand out from the crowd. Now, here's how to truly jingle all the way to the bank. Get creative with your listings. Use festive backgrounds, props, or even short video demos to showcase your items. Run holiday promotions, offer discounts, bundles, or freebies to attract buyers. Get social. Share your listings on other platforms like Instagram or Facebook groups to reach a wider audience. Be responsive and reliable. Answer messages promptly, fulfill orders quickly, and build trust with your buyers. So, there you have it. Facebook Marketplace is your holiday season goldmine waiting to be tapped. With the right items, preparation, and a sprinkle of festive spirit, you can turn your unwanted stuff into jingle bells of joy and cash. Remember to like and subscribe for more money-making tips and holiday hacks. And leave a comment below with your best Facebook Marketplace success story. Happy holidays and happy selling!